If you search ChatGPT advanced tips, here's the answer in one sentence. The difference between casual and pro use comes down to custom instructions, structured prompts, and leveraging features like projects and data analysis that most users never touch. In the next 9 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to set up each of these systems so you can get professional-grade results every single time you use ChatGPT. Most people treat ChatGPT like a search engine. They ask one-sentence questions and wonder why the answers feel generic. But when you learn to use custom instructions, build reusable projects, and structure your prompts with role context task frameworks, you unlock capabilities that feel like having a personal expert in every field. I'm going to walk you through every advanced feature that matters in 26, with real examples you can copy immediately. Let's start with why this matters right now. According to OpenAI's usage data, over 200 million people use ChatGPT weekly, but fewer than 15% have ever configured custom instructions. Even fewer use projects or upload files for analysis. That means 85% of users are getting generic, context-free responses when they could be getting personalized, expert-level output. The problem is simple. ChatGPT doesn't remember anything about you between conversations unless you tell it to. Every new chat starts from zero. You have to re-explain your role, your preferences, your context. It's like hiring a new assistant every single day who knows nothing about your work. That's exhausting and inefficient. The good news? OpenAI built features specifically to solve this. Custom instructions let you set permanent context. Projects let you organize conversations and files into persistent workspaces. And when you combine these with proper prompt structure, you get responses that are tailored, accurate, and immediately useful. Let's set up each system step by step. First, custom instructions. This is the single most underused feature that has the biggest impact. Go to your ChatGPT settings, click Custom Instructions, and you'll see two boxes. The first asks what ChatGPT should know about you. The second asks how ChatGPT should respond. In the first box, include your role, your industry, your goals, and any constraints. Here's an example. I'm a marketing manager at a B2B SaaS company. I focus on content strategy, SEO, and lead generation. I work with a small team and need practical, actionable advice that I can implement quickly. I prefer data-driven recommendations with examples. In the second box, specify tone, format, and structure. For example, be concise but thorough. Start with a direct answer, then provide 2 to 3 supporting points. Use bullet points for lists. Avoid jargon unless I ask for technical depth. When giving advice, include one real example or case study. If you're uncertain, say so rather than guessing. Once you save this, every single conversation you have will automatically use this context. You'll never have to say, "I'm a marketer," or "keep it concise" again. ChatGPT will remember, and the quality jump is immediate. You go from generic answers to responses that feel like they were written specifically for your situation because they were. Next, projects. If you have ChatGPT Plus or Team, Projects is a game changer. Think of it as a dedicated workspace where all your related conversations and files live together. You can create a project for each major area of your work. One for marketing campaigns, one for coding projects, one for research, one for learning a new skill. When you create a project, you add custom instructions specific to that project. So, your marketing project might have instructions about your brand voice and target audience, while your coding project has instructions about your preferred languages and documentation style. Each project keeps its own context, separate from your others. You can also upload files directly into projects. Upload your brand guidelines, style guides, previous reports, datasets, or any reference material. ChatGPT can then reference those files in every conversation within that project. Ask it to analyze data from your uploaded CSV, or write content that matches your brand guide, and it already has everything it needs. The workflow becomes seamless. Instead of re-uploading files and re-explaining context every time, you just open the relevant project and start working. All your conversations are organized, all your files are persistent, and all your context is already loaded. It's like having a dedicated AI team member for each area of your work. Now let's talk about prompt engineering. Even with custom instructions and projects, How you phrase your actual request matters enormously. The difference between write a blog post about AI and a properly structured prompt is the difference between generic fluff and publish-ready content. Use this three-part formula: role, context, task. First, assign ChatGPT a role. You are an experienced content strategist who specializes in B2B SaaS marketing. This primes the model to respond from that perspective. Second, provide context. Our target audience is mid-sized companies looking to improve customer retention. Our recent posts on this topic got high engagement. Third, state the task with specifics. Write a 1,200-word blog post outline on using AI for customer success, with 5 main sections, each including 3 actionable tips and 1 real-world example. Here's a real example for data analysis. Role: you are a data analyst specializing in e-commerce metrics. Context: I'm attaching our Q4 sales data with columns for date, product, revenue, and customer segment. Task: identify the top 3 trends, calculate month-over-month growth for each segment, and recommend 2 specific actions we should take in Q1 based on this data. The more specific your task, the better the output. Include desired format, length, tone, and any constraints. If you want bullet points, say so. If you need it under 500 words, specify that. If there are things to avoid, mention them. Precision in the prompt equals precision in the response. Let's cover 4 advanced features most people ignore, but pros use constantly. First, web browsing. If you're on Plus or Team, ChatGPT can search the web for current information. Add, search the web for the latest data on this to any prompt where you need up-to-date information. It will browse, cite sources, and give you current answers instead of knowledge cutoff limitations. Second, data analysis and file uploads. You can upload spreadsheets, PDFs, images, and even code files. ChatGPT will read them and work with them directly. Upload a CSV and ask for visualizations. Upload a PDF and ask for a summary with key quotes. Upload a Python script and ask for optimization suggestions. This turns ChatGPT into a true work assistant, not just a text chatbot. Third, custom GPTs. You can build your own specialized versions of ChatGPT for recurring tasks. Create a custom GPT for writing weekly reports, one for debugging code in your specific framework, one for generating social media content in your brand voice. Each custom GPT has its own instructions and can have files preloaded. Once built, you just open it and start working. All setup is automatic. Fourth, voice mode. If you're on mobile, voice mode lets you have natural conversations with ChatGPT. It's not just speech to text, it's actual conversational AI. Use it for brainstorming while walking, practicing presentations, or working through complex ideas out loud. It responds with natural pacing and can handle interruptions. Many pros use voice mode for first drafts and ideation because speaking is faster than typing. Here's a complete workflow you can copy right now. Step 1. Set up your global custom instructions with your role, industry, and preferred response style. This takes 5 minutes and improves every interaction forever. Step 2. Create projects for your main work areas. If you're a marketer, make projects for content, campaigns, and analytics. If you're a developer, make projects for each major codebase or technology stack. Add project-specific instructions and upload relevant files to each. Step 3. Build 1 or 2 custom GPTs for your most repetitive tasks. If you write similar reports every week, make a custom GPT with your exact format and requirements. If you debug code in a specific framework, make a custom GPT loaded with that framework's documentation. Step 4. Use the role context task prompt formula for every complex request. Don't just ask questions, frame them properly. The 5 extra seconds you spend structuring your prompt saves you 10 minutes of back-and-forth clarification. Step 5. Leverage web browsing for anything time-sensitive and data analysis for anything involving files or numbers. These features transform ChatGPT from a text tool into a research and analysis assistant. Once this system is in place, your ChatGPT usage changes completely. You stop fighting with vague responses and start getting expert-level output on the first try. You stop re-explaining context and start working within persistent, organized workspaces. You stop treating it like a search engine and start treating it like a personal AI team that knows your work inside out. 3 final pro tips. 1. Iterate on your custom instructions. As you notice patterns in what you ask for or how you want responses, update your instructions. They're not set in stone. Refine them over time. 2. Use ChatGPT to improve your ChatGPT prompts. Ask it, how could I rephrase this prompt to get better results? It will often suggest improvements you hadn't considered. Meta prompting works. 3. Don't overthink it. Start with custom instructions and one project. Use the 3-part prompt formula. The 80-20 rule applies here. Those basics will give you 80% of the benefits. You can add complexity as you go. If this answered your question, subscribe. We cover AI tools and productivity strategies every week. If you found this useful, don't forget to hit the hype button. It helps the channel grow.